If your layouts feel ordinary, it's because they're missing controlled variation in structure. Today, how to design adaptive collage frames. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert multiple frames in different sizes and arrange them in a loose collage style instead of a rigid grid. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting each one individually for balance. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or neutral pastel tone. Slightly overlap two frames to introduce depth and creative movement. Add thin line accents with reduced opacity to connect visual elements subtly. Use position tools carefully to maintain structure while keeping flexibility.